welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenny. I'm a pole dancer and an instructor and a performer. So welcome back. Today's video I will be showing you 3 different climbs that all beginners should know. So the 3 different climbs are regular, forearm, and side climb. Are you ready? So if you've been watching my videos, you should know I have a video on how to climb. If it's your first time climbing, touching the pole, getting to the next level, I already have that for you. So please check it out and then come back here so you can learn some more, okay? So a regular climb, we have both hands high or above our head. Not too high, but not too low, okay? You're gonna bring one foot behind the pole, other foot in front, and then pull up. And then to come back down, you could just reverse it and step it down. I know that was pretty quick, but again, you can refer to my how to climb video to check out how to climb regularly. So the next climb I'm going to show you is a forearm climb. So the forearm climb is very similar to the regular climb, except what is different is what body part is being used to climb onto the pole. All right, so things you should know: forearm climb, keyword forearm, right? It's going to be pressing against the pole and then you're going to grab, right? So your forearm is pressing, you're going to wrap your fingers around the pole. So from this side, depending on your flexibility, your strength, when you grab the pole and you press your forearm against it, I like to try to hide my forearm behind the pole, but if that's a little bit difficult or you need something a little bit more to make sure you have that grip against the pole, you can kind of angle it so your elbow is off to the side, like this, right? What you don't want is for your elbow to be here. You don't want it to be all the way here because that definitely feels crazy, right? Or here. Not saying some of these positions are wrong, but it's not the climb we are going for, okay? So back to forearm climb. You're gonna press your forearm against the pole, a little bit above your eyesight level, not too high, not too low, right? Opposite hand is gonna come on top, all right? Now, this is where you test the waters to see if you can sustain a forearm climb or not, right? Just conditioning, nothing too intense. So from here, you can try to flex your feet and then bring it back down. So from the side, well this side, forearm is pressing against the pole, right? Opposite hand is on top, right? Pulling with the top hand, pushing with your forearm, flex, and then come down. Just so you can gain a little bit more strength and to help you move up to the next level of climbing, okay? So from there, if you're like, Kenny, I tried that was cute, but I just want to get on the pole, you know, you can still climb. So how does that look? Forearm is still pressing against the pole, opposite hand is on top. So just like your regular climb, you're gonna bring one foot behind the pole, right? Other foot comes in front of the pole. Same thing, you're gonna pull yourself up, and as you pull yourself up, you're gonna switch which forearm is on the pole. So you see how I'm here pressing, my right forearm is pressing against the pole. As I pull up, my left forearm is pressing. I release the bottom hand, which was the right hand, and it comes on top. And to come down, just reverse, and voila. From another angle, pressing against the pole, on top, slide it up. You can flex your feet if you want, or you're feeling fancy, you can keep your feet pointed. Cross at the ankles, squeeze at the knees, pull up, switch forearms, breathe, reverse it, and bring it on down. So this next climb is the side climb, and to be honest, And to be honest, this is my least favorite climb. This is a climb you would probably never see me do ever. Maybe once every couple of months if I remember it, but I'm not too obsessed. But if you want to learn it, I'm here to show you, okay? Share my knowledge. So for your side climb, you're gonna stand to the side of your pole. Your inside leg is gonna come up and hook and squeeze at the back of the knee, okay? Squeeze, 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 squeeze. So from here, you can either press your forearm against the pole, or you can just have your hands up. So kind of like regular climb with just a hand, or forearm climb using your forearm to press against the pole, right? So for this case, I'm just gonna use my forearm because it's here already. So I'm pressing my forearm against the pole, opposite hand comes on top, right? From here, same motion of going down and pulling yourself up, right? So I'm squeezing at the back of the knee, opposite foot comes behind the pole, pull myself up, switch my forearms, opposite hand comes to the top. So you're still pressing the back of the knee onto the pole, and to get out, squeeze, reverse, and come down. Let's try the other side. Oh, by the way, for all these climbs, you should try both feet. And when I say both feet, like switching which foot is behind the pole, because if you saw my leg, I definitely have like a big bruise here from climbing on the same side all the time. I make it work, but don't be like me, be better, okay? So from the opposite side, same thing. This time with my hands just straight. Inside leg is gonna squeeze onto the pole. You're gonna kick. The back of the knee is pressing. Opposite hand is gonna come below. Same thing. Leg on the floor is gonna come behind. You're gonna pull up. And to get out, squeeze, come down and unhook. So since you saw some of these climbs, maybe you're trying it at home, you're probably wondering what's the purpose of climbs. Well, to climb, you wanna get to the second level of the pole. If your pole is super, super high, you wanna keep climbing. If you're doing drops, if you wanna pose higher up in the air, that's the reason why people climb poles. So when you're climbing, you're working on strength conditioning, grip conditioning, and skin conditioning. If you remember on my shin that I had that little bruise there. But you're gonna get more accustomed to it the more you do it. And also, don't just think of climbs as a move, as a transition move. It's also a dance move. So you can dance through your climbs as you transition into the next move. So don't just climb just to climb, but climb and make it look nice. So here's a little example of what that means, or what I mean. So if I'm dancing, do 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 do, favorite pirouette, do 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 do, reach up, do 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 do, maybe add some body waves, do 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 do, body wave in your forearm climb, do 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 do. That's a little extra, but you can dance through your climbs as well. Okay, so even as a beginner, don't think, oh, climbing is blah. You can climb, and that can be part of your routine. You don't need fancy tricks. You just need to know how to diversify and make it look different and cute and work for you, okay? So I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, please share, please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you again shortly. Bye.